Right now, let's go back to Read for the Record, a great project we've been talking about all morning long. Got a couple of young stars helping out. From Disney Channel's Wizards of Waverly, Jennifer Stone, and the star of the upcoming film Freestyle, Madison Pettis. And with us right now is Justin Bieber, who is joining us on the plaza. Justin, good morning to you. It's nice to see you. How are you?
Great to see you. Nice to see you.
So you're helping out with Read for the Record. Why'd you want to get involved with this?
I just think it's very important that kids get the chance to read. I learned how to read actually by my mom. I was homeschooled from kindergarten to grade 1, so my mom kind of helped me read and stuff. So I thought this was just a great organization.
Do you have a favorite book when you were a kid?
Favorite book was definitely We're Going on a Bear Hunt. I don't know if you've heard it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Now, I mean, you are a huge sensation right now.
Thank you.
Your music is unbelievable, but just 2 years ago, you were posting your videos of yourself on YouTube, and that's how you were discovered, right?
Yes.
And are you just surprised? I mean, 10 million people have viewed your songs on YouTube. Does that just amaze you to think of that number?
It's really amazing. I wouldn't have expected any of this. This has just been a dream come true.
And are you looking forward? Monday, you're going to be back here to perform on the plaza, and I'm sure it's going to be packed. You excited?
I'm very excited. Actually, I have an idea. I think that everybody just come down, bring all of your books. Everybody's invited. It's a free show, so everyone come down, bring all of your books, and we're going to donate them to the organization.
Well, that's terrific.
That's fantastic.
Great idea.
That really is. So just to remind our viewers right now, that is Monday morning, right here on Today. Happens to be Columbus Day.
Yes, it is. So a lot of kids off from school.
Exactly right. Yep. Justin's going to perform out on the plaza in our 8:30 half hour. So that'll be cool. Justin, nice to see you. Great to have you here. We really appreciate it.